The nuts on tour, rolling in their motorhome, moving town to town, never feel alone.
Right, good morning. We are now in Whitby. Yes, we are. There's a little stalls just by Harbour with a few bits on. Weather's not so grand today, but at least it's cool and the dogs are in the car. So yeah, there he is. There's one for you.
More talk, less talk.
Let's talk more coffee. Yeah. It's a permanent fixture here. Just it's a restaurant. Down here crabbing. Some are doing better than others.
Somebody lost a hand. Give them a hand.
Yeah.
Found one.
A crab. Fish. Right, it's time now. Just gone nearly 20 past 12. There's into the entrance into the main harbour. Whitby in the background. And up there you can just see the end of the abbey and the church facing you. The cottage is underneath. Out on the pier. It's a bit... tide's in. The boats have been out. Look like they're coming back. That was a short trip, wasn't it? Probably cost a fortune.
Half hour, 3/4 of an hour.
Beach. The sea. And then we have a headland over there. Harbour entrance down that end where the lighthouse thing is, or whatever. All the bins, and they have to toss it on the floor.
Yeah, I know. I'm right in this bin up here.
Yeah. It's Whitby the other way. Can't see them from here. But the whale bones are up there. Up here. And that's the Royal, I think, the hotel. A white building. Another little bit of cliff top over there. Thought the boat was coming in, but don't know. I'll give it a minute. It might have gone straight past.
No.
Oh, here it is. It's coming round now.
There's a limit when it comes into the harbour.
Yeah, there's lots going in and out. All the little jolly boats going out with the paying customers. There he is. This one went out when we sat down to have our fish and chips. Well, I had my fish and chips. Mr. Nuttall had a chip butty. So I would say it probably went out as
Half hour.
over just off the beach over there and came back. Looks like a fishing boat going out. Yes, and Whitby. I don't know if I can zoom in. If my camera will let me. Come on. Over there's the stairs. 199 steps. From down the bottom up to level with the church. You might be able to see it. Maybe Mr. Nutt will be able to zoom it in later. And here's one of the regular visitors to the town. He's waiting for his chips.
One of the locals. You're not supposed to feed him chips.
No, you're not supposed to. There's lots of signs. Do not feed the seabirds. They're all around. Somebody did a little earlier on and it was like something out of the scene of the birds.
And here we are at the Goth weekend. We're just going around now, starting looking at the stalls. Here we are in the main hall. Quite a lot of activity here. A lot of stands. Everything from clothing, jewellery, all sorts. A fair selection of jewellery, clothing, hats, bags. Push that up, you'll be able to see some full sets there. A very good turnout, so if you're in the area, why not come down and give them a look. This is all in the leisure centre. So here we are in the smaller hall. Again, lots of clothes, some jewellery, nightshades doing clothes. On the other side we have crystals, earrings and jewellery, and then this gentleman doing walking sticks, jewellery and clothes, brollies, some rather tasty waistcoats, some rather nice ones there. And this is in the smaller hall again at the leisure centre. That was the leisure centre, Whitby Leisure Centre, and then over here we have the Rifle Club. So we'll go in there now and see what's in here. So this is inside the Rifle Club. A couple of stalls on this side. As you can see, it's getting quite busy now. And then we have more clothes through into this one, and then through into what is the shooting range. More coming down here. And we have Shirley F Designs, Bluebeard Art, and Balefire. Lady Nut getting more coffee. Oh, quick inside shot of the wallet. That doesn't see daylight very often. And they do a range of ranging from mild, medium, hot, and put another toilet roll in the fridge, mother. And this is inside the shooting club where the range is. And this is the Brunswick Centre, Chapel on the Hill. So there's more stalls in here. Again, lots going on. So with dragons. And here we are in the Brunswick Centre. And this is there. And this is a selection of some of the jewellery that she's got on offer. Minus one piece, because Lady Nuts just found a piece that she liked, so we'll be going home with that. Like I said, and she's here all weekend, so come on down, take a look at what she's got.
Right, well, I hope you enjoyed that snapshot of Whitby life.
Well, couple, yeah. We had a little walk round on Thursday, just to show you what was here, and then a quick walk round today to show you. At the moment, we've only done 3 of the 4 centres. We've done the Leisure Centre, the Rifle Club and the Brunswick. We've still got
Pavillion. Apparently there is a few stands in the Pavillion which we haven't yet seen.
We shall go and do that. Excuse me.
Wander that way maybe tomorrow. Or Sunday.
Tired. Yes. We shall wander that way tomorrow. But Lady Nut will be dressed tomorrow, so we'll get some video of Lady Nut as well in her finery. With your new bits on that you bought today.
Some of it, yes.
Some of it, yes, there you go.
Yes, I'm doing more goth tomorrow and more steampunk on Sunday. That makes sense.
There you go. Something for you to look forward to.
Yeah, I'm sure.
So, till the next one, be good to each other, take care, and we'll see you in the next one.
We'll see you in a day or two.
We'll see. Bye for now.
Bye.
Meeting friends, old and new. Ooh, sharing stories, it's what we do. Laughter filling the air, true. With the open sky so blue.